His driver was right about Bulstrode. Today the barge was more bad-tempered than ever. Come on, come on! As Percy was lining them up, they burst through some buffers. Help! Help! They wailed. But it was too late.